a small program organized by the management of the school where जहाँ पर हर बच्चा कुछ ना कुछ टास्क दिया गया था बनाने के लिए एंड लाके एग्जिबिट करेगा अपना प्रोजेक्ट। एंड द मेन इनिशिएटिव क्या है मालूम इसका? द स्टूडेंट, जो भी स्टूडेंट सेलेक्ट किया गया था उस सब्जेक्ट के लिए, वो सब्जेक्ट में वो बच्चा बोल पाएगा या नहीं बोल पाया, बिकॉज ऑल दिस 5 to 6 months what he has learned will be exhibited there and his knowledge will be tested in front of parents. This really takes a lot of efforts by the teachers to prepare the student for this kind of program actually, and where he showcases his skills, where he showcases his knowledge of that subject, and whether he has learned or not, because अगर यहाँ पर बच्चा कुछ नहीं बोल पाएगा तो then the teachers will be taking another action, like they will be helping them to learn in a different way, and if he is good in the academics or doing well, they won't be able to much ज़्यादा उन लोगों को स्ट्रेस नहीं करना पड़ेगा। And this is one of the good way of teaching the small little kids actually, क्योंकि छोटे छोटे बच्चे बहुत क्रिएटिव होते हैं। I have observed the creativity of all the small little kids with their small little minds, how well they have exhibited this project, and it took lot of efforts, lot of patience by the students, because बच्चों को prepare करना it's not a easy task actually, and everything was organized properly and neatly, and the teachers were also very 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 interactive, and each section has a different story. This one was Telugu, and Telugu was organized with a different project. Everything देखने के बाद ना I really felt happy, because इतने छोटे बच्चे इतना creatively कैसे सोच सकते हैं। मतलब the teachers will give them idea to prepare all these things, but still they come up with the project at school and they'll exhibit the knowledge. So the main initiative क्या रहता बोल तो बच्चों को basically पढ़ाई का डर निकालने के लिए ऐसे पढ़ाएंगे तो बच्चे easily समझेंगे and बहुत दिन तक याद रखेंगे, because this will mingle with theoretical and practical knowledge साथ साथ चलते हैं ना। तो this is one of the what you say newest technique of new learning techniques which you are observing. Many schools are encouraging this kind of learning only, and the thing is बच्चे ना आजकल बहुत क्रिएटिविटी हो जा रहे हैं, मतलब दे आर वेरी क्रिएटिव, सो दे आर ऑब्जर्विंग छोटे छोटे थिंग्स में बहुत क्रिएटिविटी ढूंढ रहे हैं। So the teacher are also doing the same. I mean, like they're teaching in that way so that the child should understand and grab the subject actually. Main motive is grab the subject. And इसमें ना बहुत सारा preparation, planning और exhibition का लगता है। Easily समझाने के लिए this is one of the technique which we are observing in many schools actually. I'm very thankful to the kids, to the projects which they have prepared, and to the teachers.